Yeah, good morning everyone. This is TGFX. So as I said earlier, I'll be posting my trades on the 8K challenge account which I bought 30th of January. So I'm still on the challenge, and currently I'm on the phase 2. And as you can see, this is the certificate for phase 1. I've passed phase 1. So now we started trading the phase 2 on the February 17. It took me I bought the account January 30. Then it took me, I passed the account on the 13th of February. Yeah, I passed the account on the 13th of February. You can see the date here, on the 13th of February. So I bought the account on the 30th of January. So this good funded account. So right now, after passing the phase 1, I moved to the phase 2. Now this is the way I do keep my trade records. I have a Telegram account where I use as my journal. So each trade I take is being posted on that Telegram account. So now let's look at this. You can see on the first day on the phase 2, I took this trade, and this is the entry. So just my strategy as usual. Market came here and I took my entry. Then this, you can see day 1 phase 2 8K account February 16. So now this is the outcome of the trade. This is the outcome of the trade. Okay, it seems I didn't post the outcome. Yeah, I didn't post the outcome of this particular trade, but I ended the trade with a loss, not profit. It was a loss. Look at it. I caught the loss at $96. You can see it. So the trade pulled back and I closed out from the trade with a $96 loss. I think I held this trade overnight. It was at the midnight I caught the trade. So on the second day, which is day 2, I took another trade. This is the entry. You can see this is the entry of the trade. I enter from here, same strategy, and this is the outcome. So I was able to make profit here, and that is 1:1.9, which brought me back from drawdown and put me in profit. Then on day 3, I took another trade again, and I closed this trade with loss. You can see this is the outcome of the trade. It was a loss. The trade was about pulling down to hit my Excel. So what I did, I decided to cut the trade because it was late at night and I felt the market is going to slash down and take me out of the trade. So that was why I cut the trade myself. Then another thing again I did was this. On the day 4, I think day 4 was February 20. That was yesterday, Friday. I took this one again. I took this trade again. You can see this is the entry. Same setup. In fact, it was the setup from this account, which is day 3. So on the next day, I discovered the market was still at the same area without moving further. So I have to retake the entry again, since I'm still having my setup there and market is still showing bullish momentum, which I ended up taking the trade. So after taking this entry, now you can see I held this was the entry. I held this trade for, I think I took this trade around 12 in the midnight, 12 or 1. So I held this trade up to almost around 127. So that was when I caught this trade. I closed out in profit without hitting my target. Yeah, sometimes I close without hitting my target. So that was the 4 trades I took for this week. Yeah, the 4 trades I've taken on this account. So this was the 4 trade I've taken on this account. So now let's move to the Good Funded app. So on this Good Funded app, you can see this my 8K account. You can see this is the 8K account. I'm currently on 8,300. So all I need to pass this account is 8,480. So I need $180 profit to pass this account. I've not completed my trading days. I have to make 3 trading days, so I've done 2 trading days. And you all know how Good Funded do calculate their trading days. You must make a 0.5% profit each day for you to for that day to be counted as a profitable day. You understand? So now let's look at the stats. So you can see I need $171.61 left to pass my account. I've taken 4 trades on this account, as I mentioned earlier on my Telegram. So look at the lot size, 0.24. All the lot size I've taken on this good account is 0.20. On this good phase 2 account is total of 0.24. Average RR 2.86. Win rate 50%. My win rate is 50%. Then average winning trade 244.80. Then average losing trade minus 85.64. So that's it. Now let's look at the profit. Let's go to the trading. It's okay. Now look at this. I have won 2 trades and lose 2 trades so far. Consistency is 69.15%. That's all. So now let's look at the calendar. So now looking at the calendar, now you can see this was the first trade I took. On this day I took trade. It's showing 2 trades. Yeah, it showed 2 trades because I took this trade and I closed at the middle of the I closed the trade. I took the trade, I think that was the first trade I took. I took the trade around 5, then I closed the trade around 1 o'clock, which was the next day, in a loss. So I have to look for another setup and still take my trade again, and that happened to be that happened to count on the same day. So that was why you are seeing 2 trades. Now the next trade again was a loss. I caught the loss at $81.12. Then the next one was a win, 177.46. Then the last one, which was the trade I took Friday. Where is this trade? So 1, 2, 3. Remains 1. I'm not seeing that one. I don't know why that one. Okay, this was the first one. Second, yeah, the 2 trades. Okay, yeah, these 4 trades. So the 2 trades are together here. You can't see the second one. They are all counted together as one. So that's just it. So these are the 3 trades I took on this account. So guys, let's see what the outcome will be, if I will be able to pass this account by next week, or still go deep in drawdown and keep trading to pass the account. Thank you guys. I'll keep posting, and once I get funded also I'll continue doing this, so to hold myself accountable, and for everyone that is watching to also learn 1 or 2 things on how to keep yourself accountable and stay disciplined for you to be able to achieve this success in trading. Thank you everyone. Next week we see the outcome again. Thank you.